Good morning. I'm having some breakfast. I had some orange juice, watermelon, and now I'm having some mango. And today I wanted to talk about water and what is the best source of water on the planet. And that is the water that's in fruits and vegetables. Why is it the best water? Because it's been purified. It's been filtered. Okay, when you look, see here, this mango, and you see how juicy that is, and all that water in there, it's purified, basically distilled water. And that water is the healthiest for us. Don't buy into all that stuff where they say, oh, it's got added this, added that, smart water, this water, that water. This is the best water. Second best to this would be distilled water, if you can get it in glass jars, or reverse osmosis. They're basically the same. They're basically purified water. They don't contain all these other inorganic type minerals, okay? We don't need all that. Distilled water dissolves nutrients so that they can be better assimilated by the cells. It also dissolves wastes in the cells so that they can be eliminated. And it also acts like it attracts debris in the body, where you have these inorganic minerals that the cells can't use, and they're basically debris in your body. Distilled water will collect them and get rid of them. So this is the way you want to go. You know, we're made up of, on average, 45 to 70% water. Women are a little less than males. Usually the average for a female is around 55, and for a man it's 60% water. And the amazing thing is, fruits and veggies happen to be 60 to 95% water. But this water is better than any other water you can get. Personally, I don't have to drink a lot of water because I get so much water from the foods that I eat. And this, like I say, is the best one. You don't want to be having to drink a lot of water, because the water, if you're drinking tap water or just regular bottled water, it's not really acting like that solvent. Distilled water is the best known solvent of anything. Okay, it will dissolve pretty much anything. It's just simple H2O, water, with nothing. You know, in this particular water, you have some vitamins and some organic minerals that you can absorb. But the other stuff, when you have those inorganic minerals, they just become debris in the body. So, you know, when they say, oh, it's got added minerals and all this, you don't need it. You get it from this. This is what's going to give you the best water. So, remember, fruits and veggies, it's the best. They're the best foods on the planet, loaded with good distilled water that's going to help you assimilate much easier. Okay, because that's another thing. I've heard that, molecules, how many molecules are in something make it easier to assimilate or harder to assimilate. Distilled water, now don't quote me on this, but I've heard it has about 5 molecules, whereas bottled water or something like that with the inorganic minerals may have 25 molecules. Much harder for your body to assimilate. This is the real deal. Filtered, purified water. So I hope that inspires you now to get hydrated, with your fruits and your vegetables. All the best, and please subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or comments, post those below. Hit the notification bell so you're notified anytime I put up another video. All the best, and I'm going to continue to fruit up. Take care.